Hello, everyone. Thank you for tuning in to Billionaires Club 101. I just got some props in front of me, some of the things that I do and what I'm going to share with you. Today's discussion is about business funding, and I am an amateur at doing videos, so that's okay, but here we go. So today's discussion is in regards of business funding. I'm going to explain to you what it is, and then I'm going to explain to you the things that I do within a company that can assist a business owner to get more money to grow their business. Okay, so my name is Don. I'm an independent agent with David Allen Capital. Now, who is David Allen Capital? The business has been in David Allen Capital has been in business since 2015. And what we do for our business clients, people who have a business, whether it be self-employed, brick and mortar, working from home, working from online, they have a business, right? And they want to bring their business to the next level. And what I mean by the next level is to expand, grow, but also bring in more customers. Customers means more profit. So that's what we do. What type of businesses that we assist? If you're self-employed, you're an Uber driver, a Lyft driver, you're working from some type of app, you're an entrepreneur, maybe you have a transportation company, maybe you have a restaurant, manufacturing, whatever service business that you have, we can maybe assist that business owners with funding in between $500 to $2 million. Now the funding is based on so it's called revenue-based funding. What have your business done within the past 3 months, right? So the underwriters for David Allen Capital is a company. It's an entity within David Allen Capital. It's called Bank Breezy, and the underwriters are looking for a few things. How long have you been in business? Have your business minimum needs to be in business for at least 4 months. The business name must be in the business owner, or the business bank account should be in the business name. Now, say if you are an entrepreneur and your business, your banking account is not in a business name, it's in your personal name, we can assist you as well through our one of our other funding sources that we have. We have multiple providers, so it's not a cookie cutter way of doing business. So you might be different from this restaurant, this Uber driver makes more than this Lyft driver, whatever the case may be. So for the Lyft drivers, or your person who works from an app, your monthly income must exceed over $3,000 to get qualified. So that part is get $10,000 in 10 minutes, okay? And then we have another platform where if you're earning in between $5,000 in your business to $15,000, you can get up to $20,000 the same day. Now, on the larger scale of our business funding is from $15,000 to $2 million. You can get that within 1 to 5 business days, as long as you've complete all the underwriting information that is required. So we have an online application portal that's free that you can just put in your information. Our underwriters will provide you with an offer of this is what you qualify for business funding based off of what our algorithms will be able to find out, or our AI system will find out exactly what are you earning in your business now. So what is business funding? So business funding is, and this is more of a review, some of the clients that I work with who have taken on business funding and they're going to go to our platform and accept some business funding offers. So what it is say for example you have a pizzeria is having much success, and the business owners want to maybe bring in some family members and say, listen, we have a restaurant that works, we want to maybe expand on the other side of town as well. Family member, are you willing to manage that for us? In return, you'll earn a profit of what that restaurant is doing. and this is your potential earnings that you will be. So that family member say, yes, I'm interested. So that business owners go to bestratefunds.com. Now that is my personal business funding portal. They'll go to the business funding site. They'll look at the information. They'll enter in their information in regards to the restaurant. What has that restaurant been earning for the past 3 months? And then some other additional information that they're going to input into that application. And then our underwriters usually give them an offer. And I'll explain to you what offer within the same day. So an offer is business owner may want to only borrow $100,000 for funding to fund this other location, but they've been qualified for maybe $250,000. So does it make sense for the business owner knowing exactly that they only need $100,000, or they know that they have qualified for $250,000? Which makes sense. Well, we only need $100,000 to take care of what we're trying to do, versus we're going to take $250,000 and not know what we're going to do with that additional income. So the offer may come in at $250,000, and then the business owner says, "Well, I don't need $250,000. I only need $100,000." So then the underwriters will say, "Of course, you are qualified for the $100,000, and this is the frequency of being paid to pay that funding back." Now they may be on a 4 to 24 months payback period, and it will give you the breakdown of, if you pay it off within this certain amount of time, you're also eligible of what's called a renewal, right? So say, the business owner, they put that other restaurant in place. That restaurant is now flourishing, it's making profit, and that business owner, or that family member who that business owner put in place, says, "Listen, we're doing pretty well here. Maybe we can put another restaurant in another part of town, another county, or whatever the case may be." So that business owner says, "Yes, let's do that." So the renewal will come in as you pay down your first business funding. You're now qualified for an additional renewal, and that renewal can be another $100,000. That that this is what it costs to put a certain restaurant in this part of the neighborhood, and then this is how business funding works. So only take what you need, and it's more of a growth funding, not a rescue funding. So what does a rescue funding means? A business owner who is looking for funding to get themselves out of a hole, which they have some debt that they can't seem to escape. They may have whatever debt that's in place for them. They try to get business funding to take care of that. Now you got to remember, business funding is not a loan. This is based off of what you are currently doing within the past 3 months, as far as how much your business is earning, right? So it's not about, I need this money to help me bail out of whatever debt you're in. This is more of growth. I'm having some success in my business. I want to hire more staff. I want to have something to pay payroll for this period of time. Or let's expand. Our company can use a patio. We need to build a patio for our clientele, for our patrons, to be able to have outside dining with a covered patio. That puts in place more customers. More customers mean more profit. And then maybe you need some upgrades on certain equipment. So what we do is we do what's called payment processing. I do have a QR code that's there. If you're able to punch up the QR code, that's fine. I have some additional information in regards of business funding. You can see it all at bestratefunds.com. Also, I'll be putting some links in the description box below. So what we do with David Out of Capital is we do business funding in between $500 to $2 million. We also do, so if your company needs maybe some health care, we do what's called health care and health share. Our underwriters with the health care and health share, they'll find the best health plan that's for you or your company and show you what the rates are. And then they have some additional information of getting more Affordable Care Act information as well to you as far as a policy goes. We have a online pharmacy program as well as HIPAA approved or HIPAA compliant, but it's also by a licensed pharmacist. The online pharmacy delivers nationwide, Our team, so if say for example you have any out-of-pocket costs as an individual, if you're paying $20 or more, get on the platform. Your medications are free once you're in our month-to-month membership. It's month-to-month. You can pick up your medications at any pharmacy that's near to you, including Walgreens, Walmart, CVS. All those stores are included as well. So our pharmacy can deliver to 64,000 or more pharmacies throughout the United States. But if you are wanting it to come to your doorsteps, it will be there for free delivery. But also, if when you're ordering your medications, you are able to get a huge discount on over-the-counter medications. So with your prescription medications also include your over-the-counter medications that you would like. And if you don't want any so the over-the-counter medication is discounted, deeply discounted. But if you have no need for like Tylenol or Advil, that's fine. Just order your medications. It comes for free with your $19.95 membership. And then also there's a family plan. The family plan is $29.95 for the entire family. They get their medication for free. And then it's a month as well. If you want to know, and then also if you're a person who has diabetes, you're diabetic, you get a free diabetic kit. Come with the glucometer, some other items that are free, and then you have some low-cost insulin. That's usually you'll be picking that up for like we partnered up. Debit Capital was partnered up with Walmart for those people who are needing insulin, so you get some discounts off your insulin as well. Say if you have a medication that it does not have like a generic brand to it, you can only get it in the brand name. Our pharmacy team is able to possibly be able to get that brand name medication at a deep discount. So give our pharmacy team some information about the brands that you must have once you join the membership. One of the things about the membership, you just can't just call their 800 number and start asking questions. It's for members only, right? And so the website for that, I'll put that in the description box below as well. And then another thing is to the left of me is what's called payment processing. So I went into a business and they're cash only, right? Cash is king. But what is now made cash king, or cash has been king for a long time. Excuse me. Not a lot of people carry cash on them. They are carrying their debit cards. Now, for a business owner who's only accepting cash, they may have no knowledge of how to get a POS system in place and tailor it to their business way of doing business. So, Debit Capital, we have a lot of providers that will assist a business owner to set up their payment processing system or POS system, and then also do the payment processing at a deep discount. So this will increase their business because a patron comes into their. So for example, I went to a restaurant that sells Jamaican food, and they're only a cash business. I did not have any cash on me, so I went to go somewhere where I bank with to get some money, come back, and bought the food. Now it'd been nice if they had a payment process, a POS system in place where I can put my debit card in, key in my numbers, get the food and go on my way. But I had to make an additional travel to where my bank was and then come back because I want to patronize the business and I like the food. So now that business owner is going to be, hopefully soon, is going to be taking on allowing our company to set them up their own payment processing system. And now they'll be able to earn some more income as far as taking orders. So we also do identity theft. People's identity is being stolen day to day, every day through some just scammers and things like that. So we do have identity protection. I'll also put that in the description box below. And we also have a platform where if there's an organization, nonprofit, or an organization that wants to create a way of doing some fundraising, we have some fundraising ideas that we can do within our online prescription medication program where they can provide a discount or free medications to their members who are on certain medications. I want to thank you for tuning in to Billionaires Club 101, and I want to encourage you, if you're a business owner that needs business funding, I can help. Thank you very much. Have a good day.